Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. And on today's show, we're featuring brown rice cereal. Chef, what are we making today?
We're going to make brown rice pancakes.
Brown rice pancakes, delish. We're going to come over here and start making the baby puree.
Yeah,
all right, I'll be back soon.
I'll take care of anybody over 1 year old.
Okay, all right. Okay, well, so we're going to take about 1/4 cup to about a cup of boiling water. We're just going to pour it inside, and we're going to take our whisk, and you're just going to whisk it up. Okay? What are you making?
You know, first I'm mixing all my dry ingredients together. I have the brown rice flour. I have some baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt.
Okay.
And now I'm whisking my egg whites.
Okay. So this is a really easy recipe any family can make for their kids at breakfast. We're going to take our ice cube tray and fill the ice cube tray with this delicious porridge so we can freeze and save for later. Great.
I folded in the whipped cream and a little bit of sour cream.
Okay.
And some of my wet ingredients and the vanilla. I'm going to put in a little bit of butter. Take our whipped cream or egg whites. We're going to increase that a little bit.
Okay.
And we're looking for like a little bit of a stiff peak, you know. And what we look for there. We're going to warm up our blueberries. And I'm kind of like going to make like a syrup with this stuff.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
So it's all natural, no sugar added.
No, we just add some honey.
A little bit of honey.
That's the sugar that we use.
And when can you serve honey to your child?
You definitely want to wait at least 1 year.
And I love these recipes you're taking from puree, right to toddlers, right to adults.
Exactly.
So this is really for the whole family. And brown rice flour is so fantastic to use, especially if you have kids with food allergies. My daughter has celiac disease, and we've been using a lot of rice flour, and it tastes great. You can't really tell the difference. I mean, these pancakes look beautiful, and we used rice flour. Join us next time on Cooking for Baby and Me.